Hello, I'm Tim Beggins, president of Elk Trading Company. In today's article, is natural gas forming a long-term price bottom? In today's article, we've got an image from Grok showing a Gulf of Mexico drilling rig, possibly looking for natural gas. U.S. natural gas prices are showing signs of a floor, with Henry Hub averaging 366 per MMBtu in the first half of 2025, up sharply from 2024. Rising structural demand may anchor prices higher. AI-driven data centers, Bitcoin mining, and reshoring of manufacturing are adding steady baseload power demand. Yet supply headwinds loom. By 2030, most of the Tier 1 acreage in the Haynesville, Marcellus, and the Permian will be drilled out, forcing producers into less productive leases. Decline curves will steepen, break-evens rise, and takeaway constraints persist. Inflationary pressures in labor, materials, borrowing costs, and elevated debt from recent mergers and acquisitions further tighten margins. On the demand side, LNG export growth is a key driver. Sempra's Port Arthur Phase 2, NextDecade's Rio Grande Train 4, and Venture Global's CP2 or Calcasieu Pass 2 have all reached FID, adding billions in investments and several BCF or billion cubic feet of new demand. This supports prices, although analysts caution that an LNG oversupply by 2030 is possible if all projects proceed. Where does that where does the next big supply source come from? The Gulf of Mexico, with possibly 36 trillion cubic feet of technically recoverable gas, which could see a revival due to its proximity to LNG export facilities. Appalachia still shows growth potential, while frontier plays like Alaska LNG may resurface if supported by policy. Taken together, the United States gas market appears to be coalescing around a medium-term price floor in the 350 to 550 per MMBtu range. Strong demand growth, LNG exports, and rising costs could support the base, but LNG oversupply risk and execution challenges remain. You can learn more on the links included in today's article below. Please let us know your thoughts in the comment section and hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for listening. We'll see you soon.